mukana? Gorilla. Greetings, beautiful people!
Welcome back to Uncle's Kitchen!
Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm with my little cousin Maya. And we're making crispy tofu nuggets. Now these are absolutely amazing. That's why I decided to come back to film it. And I hope you enjoyed the process. Folks, if you like vegan food, vegetarian, plant-based, there are no animals or animal products on my channel, hit the like button, hit subscribe. It would mean the world to me so I can continue doing my hobby and bringing you amazing food from all around the world. I love you all. Have a good one.
So for this recipe you're going to need about 300 to 500 grams of firm tofu, 3 tablespoons of tahini, 2 tablespoons of mustard, half a teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 cup of panko or breadcrumbs, 1 teaspoon of salt, 3/4 cup of cornstarch and 1/4 cup of water. But I also recommend, which we didn't use in this one, adding some spinach to it, cooked spinach. I'd say about a handful of cooked spinach, blend that in. It's going to be amazing. Now this next bit's super simple. You're just going to add everything into the blender and blitz it until it's creamy. The only things you're not going to blend are the cornstarch, the breadcrumbs and the water. That's it. Okay, so once that's nice and creamy, we're going to move on to the next bit, which is making the slurry. So that's where you get basically a mix of the cornstarch and the water. Now I made it a little bit too runny, but it doesn't matter. It gets the job done either way. Okay, once you're ready to go, you're going to wet both of your hands to make it easier to work with. You're going to make little tofu ball shapes with your hands. You're going to dip them into the slurry and then make sure they're nice and covered with the panko or breadcrumbs. Now you may be wondering why my tofu was greenish. That's because there was a special brand that we were using which comes with basil inside it. But like I said, add your own spinach, add your own herbs, make it your own, and it's a very, very nice recipe. And finally, we're going to fry them until they are golden brown on both sides.
So here's the magic moment, right? So we got our little vegan ricotta style nuggets here. So good. Right, go in. Focus in on the magic. This is so good. That's okay. There you go. Look at that. So inside it's a cross between like a regular nugget, but it's got like the smoothness of ricotta. So you could also use this with French fries or whatever you want. But I have it in a pita bread because it's good. Folks, thank you very, very much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this video like I'm enjoying this food right now. As always, if you like vegan food, plant-based, hit the like button, hit subscribe, leave a comment. If you've got any recipes you want me to try and make, or you want me to come and visit you and you're local, let's do this. Hit the like button, hit subscribe and leave a comment. I love you all. Have an amazing day and see you next time.
And there you have it, folks. Probably my last video of 2020. And on that note, I would like to take this opportunity to thank every single one of you, and also my cousin Maya for making this video happen, of course. But like I say, 2020, what a crazy year it's been. Hopefully 2021 will bring us greener pastures and a brighter future. I want to thank every single one of you for your engagements. Like I say, this started off as a hobby, and now look where we are today. Your engagements have really encouraged me to continue with this channel. Have an amazing 2021. Happy New Year, and like I say, may it be better than last. Bye for now, folks.